Want to fix a payment declined error on Tamara, even though you're eligible? Here's how to solve it quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to fix a payment declined issue on Tamara when you know you should be eligible. Step 1. Double-check your Tamara account for any outstanding payments or limits. Step 2. Make sure your payment method has sufficient funds and is active. Step 3. Verify that your billing address and personal details match exactly what your bank has. Step 4. Clear your browser cache or try a different device or app version. Step 5. If the issue persists, contact Tamara customer service via live chat or phone for assistance. Quick tip. Sometimes temporary server issues cause declines. Waiting a few minutes and retrying often helps. If this helped, drop a comment below. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching.